OMG, what's up YouTube? I am back. It's been a long minute, but I am trying to get back into the rhythm of things, and I'm going to be trying a bunch of new things this year because I want to do change with my hair, but I don't want to cut it or do anything drastic. So this year I'm just going to be experimenting on random products that I find that I think would be cool. So today's special guest is these. I got off Amazon. They are 55 centimeters and they're supposed to just give your hair like a wave, whereas my hair is naturally like a 3B, 3C texture combined. So we're going to try to see if we can get the wave. So there's no product in my hair to start. I washed it and I used Not Your Mother shampoo and I used Not Your Mother conditioner. Okay, so the two products I'm gonna put in my hair, it is going to be this deep conditioner by Bounce Curl, but you can use it as a leave-in as well. And then I'm going to use the Camille Rose twisting butter, and I'm going to use these, and that's it. So for starters, I want my hair to be as dry as possible because I'm not going to sleep in these. I just want to put it in for the daytime and then see. So with no product in your hair, just go ahead and squeeze out as much excess water as you can. So I got a ton of excess water, so I'm actually surprised how much came out, but that's why I think it's important to try to squeeze that out. And this is a microfiber towel, and that's better for your curly hair. So all we're gonna do is just go ahead and get started with putting in the deep conditioner here, or leave-in, whatever you wanna call it. And I don't wanna put too much because I am also putting in the twisting butter. So after doing that, I'm just going to brush my hair out a little bit. It's already fully detangled after washing and shampooing it. Okay, so I am back and I feel like I can give real advice now. I've figured out what the best strategy is, and I've literally done this in less than 15 minutes. So I think you can do your whole head in 20 if you get certain techniques down. So I'm going to do this last section with you guys, and then I will give you the tips and pointers I think that would help you get this done quickly. Let's just hope that it looks cute. If it doesn't, oh well, you only wasted 20 minutes, but let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so there's only a few things you really need to do. Just take your section. I think it's better to find a section that is not long in width. So I would say take a thick section if you want, but I would keep them as close together. I wouldn't do like a section this long. I would do a section probably right here. That way, since this tool only goes so wide, you will ensure that you have the best look, I guess you can say, that you're going for. And the next thing after that is you're going to wet your hair. So I would just do, honestly, one spray is sufficient, and then just comb through it till you get your hair to do what it normally does. And then take a little bit, that was kind of a lot, but take a little bit of this cream, put it in there. You're going to get the item that you're going to use, the next piece. You're going to string it in there really quickly, and then you're going to take your section and you're going to twist. And you're going to twist it like that. You don't really need to twist it too much because that's not really the important part. You're just twisting it for it to seamlessly go through here. Then you're going to pull it like this, as tight to your scalp, and then you're going to push this till it covers the tip, the top of the tool that's helping you pull your hair through. And then very easily you just pull your hair through. And then if your hair is longer than the 55 centimeters, pull a loop a little bit longer than the strip, and then unloop your hair. And then pull this to cover back up that loop. And I find that that is the easiest way to get this detached from your hair without pulling it too much. So you're really just going to keep doing that. And like I said, you're doing 7 sections per quarter, so it really doesn't take that long. You can literally do, I would say, be able to successfully do each section in 5 minutes. guys, we did it. It was really quick once I got the hang of it. I look absolutely crazy. I wouldn't sleep in these because I think it's just a lot. I don't think you'd be able to do that. So I'm just going to let them sit in my hair and just air dry for a little bit. And then we're going to come back and figure out what this looks like together. And hopefully the results are bomb. Okay guys, I am back. It's been a few hours. I did take my blow dryer to blow up my hair a little bit because I really didn't know if it's still wet. I can't tell. So we're about to do the finale and see if this looks good, crazy, like what are we working with. I am nervous, but I really hope it's worth it. I ain't even mad. I ain't even mad. I ain't even mad. Ooh. Ooh. Yes. Yes, ma'am. Oop. Yes. Yes, ma'am. Okay, guys. I think what I like the most is how fast it takes, like, for these to come out of your head. Like, I'm just pulling, guys, and they're coming out effortlessly. Like, this is definitely worth it for me. Because if you can get it down, you could put this in your hair in 20 minutes, guys. 20 minutes? Let that thing air dry. You're going out Friday night. Listen. Heatless. Damage-free. This, guys, is it for me. I love it. This was worth it. It was worth me looking like Cynthia for this hair, I think. Let me know in the comments. Was it worth me looking like Cynthia? Was it a yes for you? Guys, like literally less than 2 minutes to take these out of my hair. I am so impressed. These things are flying out of my hair. Like boom, boom, boom. That was supposed to go a lot smoother, but boom. Listen, I could do it with both hands. Boom. Hello. Yes, ma'am. And the thing about it is, it looks and feels like air. Yes, ma'am. Air. I'm not trying to be dramatic, but guys, like what? 20 minutes? 20 minutes and the hair feels like a cloud. 20 minutes. Worth it. Okay, guys, worth it. Worth it, worth it, worth it. Okay, so for me, I like, honestly, I'm not a middle part person, but this looks really good with the middle part. And this is why some people might, I guess, when you part it, you might want to part at least like this front part. But if you're like me and you just like to throw in a little side part here, if you like a side part, ooh, this is not really proving my case very well, to be honest. But I don't want to touch it too much. But honestly, I wouldn't even spend too much time separating it. I would really just, wow, it looks so good. Okay, I'm actually so impressed and very happy. So, yes. So go ahead and like flip your hair forward and just take the tip of your fingers and loosen up the tight parts by the root to give it a more fuller as well as natural look. And guys, I'm really so happy with these results. And like I said, I'm not a middle part person, but I think this looks really good as a middle part. Like, wow. This honestly, low-key, like with an exception to the drying time, is faster than I do like my actual natural curls. Like, I like it. So let me know in the comments, what do you think? You could add oil to it. You can add, I would maybe add some hairspray to kind of keep the hold a little bit. But we're going to see how long it keeps up. But like, guys, what? I'm in love. I am in love. You let me know in the comments if you think you're in love, and if you want to see more videos of me trying random hair products from Amazon or any site, go ahead and subscribe and send me whack cool products you want to try but don't want to spend the money on because you don't know. It's like, I don't know. If you don't know, I know. put it in the comments. I will buy it, I will try it, and then we will know together if it is worth you investing in it. So yes, go ahead and subscribe. And then if you are more of a reader, go ahead and check out the post for this. I also have a blog, and I have written out this step by step. If you want to refer to it later and you don't want to watch the whole video, go ahead and check out that blog post. It's going to be in the description. Love you guys, and go ahead and become a part of that family. See you next time.